Step into the 2013 Mazda 5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include FWD, 4-cylinder 2.5-liter, air conditioning, cruise control, dynamic stability control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows and seat, third row. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.